Okay, here are the Module 11 Part 2 notes. This is page 4. Again, we are going to focus on how we identify the number of trials, the probability of success, our probability of failure, and our number of successes. So we have got the Information Please Almanac example. Yes, we did not use those up there. And so let's talk about how we find the information that we need. So this would be a good time to pause the recording, take a look at the example, go ahead and fill it in, see where you get stuck, and pay attention to that when you come back. Okay, so let's see if we can highlight here. So according to the Information Please Almanac, 80% of adult smokers started smoking before turning 18 years old. Suppose 10 smokers 18 years old or older are randomly selected. So this is my first. Suppose 10 smokers. So I have the number of trials is 10. My trial is a smoker. Okay. So we've randomly selected here, and the number of smokers who started smoking before 18 is recorded. So that's our success. Started smoking before 18. A failure then would be started after 18. Our probability here for what we're calling a success is this 80%. 80% of adult smokers started smoking before turning 18 years old. So my probability of success here is 80.8, 80%. My failure is 1 minus 0.8, which is 0.2. 0.8 plus 0.2 has to equal 1. I've got everything filled in. We are interested in the probability that exactly 8 of them started smoking before 8 years old. So our X is 8. That's the number we're trying to hit. Example 4, Clarinex D is a medication whose purpose is to reduce the symptoms associated with a variety of allergies. In clinical trials of Clarinex D, 5% of the patients in the study experience insomnia as a side effect. We've got a random sample of 20 Clarinex D users. So see if I can get same colors. Random sample. So I've got 20 trials. Our trial is an individual using Clarinex D. Okay. So our success here is insomnia as a side effect. Okay. So our success is insomnia. Again, not a positive success. A failure then would be no insomnia. And I left out an N. The probability of success is this 5%. Which means our failure is 1 minus that 5%, so 0.95. Double check to make sure these add to 1. This has to cover everything. We want the probability that exactly 3 experience insomnia. Last one on this page. Historically, about 60 students in a particular statistics course at CCD are successful. So this time I'm going to fill as I go. My probability of success is 60. Probability of failure then is 40. Ten students are selected at random from all previous students in the course, so our number of trials is 10. Our trial is a previous student in stats. Our success is success in class or success in stats. Our failure is not successful. And our X, we're interested in finding the probability that exactly 5 of them were successful.